welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to enable and disable the button when we have text in text box. So for that, first we are going to create a new project and just go to file and click on new project and just disable button. I've just put a name and here we go. It's actually creating project. Okay, now here we have what we need is we need to disable the button. For that, first we need is button. Okay, so drag and drop it here and change its name something to enable slash disable. Okay, like this I have just written its name on the text, and whenever we have text box, okay, so just drag and drop it here. So here we have now text box. Now what we want is whenever this text box is empty, this button needs to be disabled. For that, we need to actually code on this text box text change event. So where we have to search these events are, just go and here you can see this zigzag arrow, and here its pop-up is coming that event. Just click on that and text change event, search for text changed, and here this is text change. Just double click on this and it will generate a text box text change event. I have just double clicked on this and here we go. So now let me see this design name of this button. The design name of this button is here button 1. So when this text box is empty, what we need to do is that this button needs to be disabled. How to do that? So if text box dot one dot text is equal to disable is equal to empty, then what we need to do is button one dot enabled is equal to false. Okay, and just put an else condition and just write as a code that if there is text, then button one dot enabled is equal to true. Okay, just execute it and see it. So here we have some text now, and this button is not disabling, and let me check why it's not disabling. Okay, so here we can see that now this text box is disabled, and now if you want that in the previous state when this form loads, this text button needs to be disabled. So for that you need to write one line of code on this form load event. Just button this code button one dot enabled is equal to false. Okay, so when this form loads, this button needs to be disabled initially. Okay, just execute it and see what happens. So here you can see this button is disabled, and when we click something, write something, this button is enabled. So let me show few more things, like I'm just generating a clickable for this button. Just double click on this, and after that message box and dot show that I am enabled. Okay, so I'm just written this and just execute it. When there is nothing in the text field, you cannot click this button. When I have some data and just click on this, it will pop up this I am enabled. Okay, so thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and like my video, and please share it with your friends. And if you have any question, please comment in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe.